On this video today, I'm going to show you a highly targeted free traffic source that you can use to make money with affiliate marketing as a complete beginner without any skills and without any experience. This method is very easy, and the best part is that you can use it wherever you are in the world. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I'll show you everything that you need to know about this method. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button. Press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to join an affiliate network. There are many affiliate networks that you can join to find affiliate products that you can promote to earn money from home. There are many of them. You can join Teespring, you can join ClickBank, you can join Warrior Plus, you can join JVZoo, you can join any affiliate network that you know. In this case, I'm using Teespring. So once you're on Teespring, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, marketplace. Once you click on marketplace, you are going to see a page like this. Now what you have to do is that you have to find a product to promote. There are many products on this platform that you can promote to earn a commission anytime you get a sale. You can see the first one, you're going to be earning a commission of $357.95 per every sale that you get. The next one, you are going to be earning up to $126.21 per every sale that you get. The next one, you're going to be earning $143.80 per every sale that you get. There are many offers that you can select to promote, and the best part is that you are approved to promote any product that you want. So you can scroll down and then select any product that you want so that you can promote it to make money from home. You can see a whole lot of them. You can see a whole lot of different offers. If you want to select the products based on categories, what you have to do is that you have to come right here, click on digital products. Once you click on it, you can see the subcategories of digital products that you can promote. They have animals and pets, and the animals and pets, they have about 147 available products that you can promote. Betting system, they have about 49 digital products that you can promote. You can see business and investment, they have about 546 available products that you can promote. There are many of them. As a scroll, you can see the subcategories of offers that you can promote. You can see a whole lot of them. So just select any of them that you want and then select an offer that you can promote to make money from home. Apart from digital products, you can promote events and seminars, you can promote services, you can promote physical products. Any kind of products that you want, you can find one to promote on this platform. In this case, what I'm going to be doing is that I'm going to be promoting a supplement. So just scroll down to the button. You can see this supplement right here, Power Bite. It is a supplement that helps people to maintain healthy teeth, and the best part is that the cut conversion rate is 17%. That means 17% of people who click on the link of this product end up by buying the product. So if you promote it, you are likely going to also make a sale. If you promote it to about 300 people, you are going to get 17% of the 300 people buying the product so that you can earn a commission. Now once you have selected the product, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, promote now. Once you click on promote now, you are going to see a page like this. You can see these are the details of the product. You can see everything. So you can see this is the price of the product. Now what you have to do is that you have to look at the landing page of the product so that you can get some basic information about the product. If you also need resources to promote the product, what you have to do is that you have to click on affiliate support page. Once you click on it, you'll be able to get resources that you can use to promote the product. In this case, I don't need any resources. What I'm going to do is that I'm going to look at the sales page. I want to see some basic information about the product before I begin to promote it. So click on sales page. Once you click on sales page, you're going to see a page like this. This is the exact page that your potential visitors are going to see before they decide to purchase the product. So you have to read all the information on this page so that you can use the information to promote the product. So let's scroll down to see. If you scroll down, you can see these are the ingredients that they use to make the product. You can see the ingredients. So when you scroll down, you can see they have bonuses for people who purchase the product. They have about 2 bonuses that your potential customers are going to get when they purchase 6 or 3 bottles. You can see these are the bonuses that they're going to get anytime they make a purchase. When you scroll down, you can see they have free shipping. That means your potential visitors do not need to pay for shipping service. What they need to do is that they have to make a purchase and the product is going to be shipped to them. You can see they have different pricing packages. They have $69 per bottle, $49 per bottle, $59 per bottle. So any of these packages that your potential visitors choose, you are going to be earning a commission anytime you get a sale. You can see they have 60-day money back guarantee. That means if your potential visitors purchase the product and they are not getting results within 60 days, they can return the product and then take back their money. You can see a whole lot of different information about the product. You can see a whole lot of different information about the product. Now what you have to do is that you have to begin to promote the product. To promote the product, first of all, you have to get your affiliate link. So click right here, copy promo link. Once you click on it, your affiliate link has been copied. What you have to do is that you have to find a traffic source whereby you can get people who click on your affiliate link and then purchase the product so that you can be earning a commission. The traffic source that we are going to be using today is ukclassifieds.co.uk. This is a classified website that is based in UK. So when you promote an offer here, you're going to be getting people who live in the United Kingdom to click on your affiliate link and then purchase the product. People who live in the United Kingdom, most of them have the purchasing power to buy the product. So if you promote it on this website, you are likely going to make a sale. You can see a whole lot of different ads on this website. You can see people have posted different ads on the website, and you can see these are the popular cities that you can post your affiliate link. You can see the popular cities. So when you are posting your ad, you have to select any of these cities that you are seeing. Now what you have to do is that you have to create an account so that you can post your ads onto this website. To create an account, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, register. Once you click on it, you can register with your Google accounts, or you can enter your email address here, enter your password here, and then click on sign up so that you can sign up for a free account. Once you create your accounts and log in, now what you have to do is that you have to click right here, post an ad, so that you can post your ad onto the website. Once you click on post an ad, the next step is that you have to select a category. So click on select category. Once you click on it, select for sale. Once that is done, you have to select the subcategory. So click on it. Once you click on it, you have to select health and beauty because the product helps people to maintain healthy teeth. It is under the health category, so select it. Once that is done, you can select a subcategory under health and beauty. So you can click on it. Once you click on it, you can scroll down and then select the right category. You can see a whole lot of different categories. Select the one that is related to the product that you are promoting. You can see they have bath and body care, diet and weight loss products. You can see facial and skin care products and many others. In this case, what we are going to be doing is that we are going to select healthcare and well-being. So select that. Once that is done, you can see location. You have to select a location. You have to select a location in the United Kingdom. So you can enter any location in the United Kingdom that you want. To get a location, what you have to do is that you have to search for fake UK address. Just search for fake UK address. Once you search for it, click on the first website. Once you click on the first website, you're going to see a page like this. Now what you have to do is that you have to copy the details and then paste it on the website. So you can see this is the city, so highlight and copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you can see address and postcode. So you have to come back again. Once you come back, you can see this is the postcode. Highlight it and then copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to come back and then paste it right here. Once that is done, you can see address. So just come back. Once you come back, you can see this is the street address. So highlight and then copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to come back and then paste it here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you can see the next one is contact. You can enter your phone number here. Your email has already been entered. So in this case, I'm not going to enter my phone number, so deselect this. Once that is done, you're going to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see the price of the product. You have to enter the price of the product. So click on it to select the currency. It is in dollars, so select dollars. Once you select dollars, you can see this is the price of the product. Highlight and then copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you're going to paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, the next step is that you have to select the transaction. So when you click on it, you can see sell, buy, rent, exchange. It is for sale, so select sell. Once that is done, you can see the condition. Click on it. It is new, select that. Once that is done, the next step is that you have to upload images of the offer. So come on Google and then search for the name of the product. So let's search for Power Byte. Once you search for it, you're going to see a page like this. Select images. Once you select images, you're going to see a page like this. Now what you have to do is that you have to download the images and then upload them. So you can see these are the images of the offer. Just download any of the images that you want. In this case, I'm going to download this image. To download the image, right click on the image. Once you right click on it, select save image as. Once you select save image as, click on save so that the image can be saved. Once you save the image, you can select another image and then save it. So for example, I'm going to download this image. So right click on it. Once you right click on it, select save image as. Once that is done, click on save so that the image can be saved. Once you save the images, you are going to come back, click on upload images, select my device. Once you select my device, select your image and then click on open. As you can see, that has been done. Click on upload file. As you can see, that has been done. You can upload the two images that you downloaded. Now once that is done, you have to write a title for your ad. You can come back on the product landing page and then copy this as your title. So let's highlight and copy it. If you don't want to use this information, you can also use ChatGPT to generate a title, but in this case I'm going to use this information. So just highlight it and then copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you're going to come back and then paste it right here. As considered has been done. Once that is done, the next step is that you have to highlight and then copy this as your description. Just highlight and then copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you're going to come back, paste it right here as your description. If you want, you can write more information about the product. Now once that is done, the next step is that you have to insert your affiliate link here. You can see link to your website. So you have to come back on this student info. Once you come back on this student info, click on copy promo link. Once you click on it, your affiliate link has been copied. Now once that is done, come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Your affiliate link has been pasted here. So anytime people see your ad, they are going to click on this link and then purchase the product. You are going to be earning a commission of $126. Now once you have entered the details of your offer, the next step is that you have to click right here, submit. Once you click on submit, you can see your listing is not visible yet. It needs to be validated by admin. Your listing has been published. It has been published. It is now waiting for the administrator to approve it so that it can start running on the website, and you are going to be getting people who live in the United Kingdom to click on your affiliate link and then purchase the product. You can see my active listener is 18. You can see the number of ads that are posted on this website, 18. You can see the current one is pending. You can see the number of subscriptions that I have, 5 subscriptions. So make sure you post a lot of different ads onto the website. Keep on posting different ads onto the website so that you can get people who live in the United Kingdom to click on your link and then purchase the products for you to make money. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.